Howdy, y'all! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to whip up a mouth-watering slow cooker tater tot casserole. This dish is perfect for those busy days when you want a hearty meal without all the fuss. It's easy, it's customizable, and it's the ultimate comfort food. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or a potluck, this recipe is sure to be a hit. So let's get right into it. First off, let's round up our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, or your protein of choice like turkey or even a plant-based option if you're going vegetarian, 1 onion diced up nice and fine to add that perfect touch of flavor, 1 family-sized can of cream of mushroom, chicken, or celery soup, whichever you prefer for that creamy base, 1 to 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, because who doesn't love a cheesy casserole? 2 to 3 cups of frozen vegetables of your choice like peas, carrots, and corn, to add some color and nutrition, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning to taste, to give it that extra kick. And don't forget 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, because garlic makes everything better. Finally, a bag of those golden tater tots. These little guys are the star of the show. All right, let's get this show on the road. First thing you're gonna do is brown that ground beef along with the diced onion in a hot pan. This step is crucial to bring out the flavors. Get it nice and cooked through, and once you've got it looking good, go ahead and drain off any excess grease. This will keep your casserole from being too greasy. Now grab your trusty slow cooker and mix together the brown beef and onion, your can of soup, frozen veggies, and all those seasonings. Give it a good stir so everything's well combined. You want all those flavors to meld together perfectly. Next comes the cheesy goodness. This is where the magic happens. Sprinkle 1 to 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese right on top of that mixture. The more cheese, the better, if you ask me. And now, for the star of the show, those crispy tater tots. Make sure you have enough to cover the entire surface. Layer them in a single layer on top of everything. This will ensure they get nice and crispy. Make sure you cover the whole surface so it's looking like a golden blanket of deliciousness. Trust me, you won't regret it. Set your slow cooker on high and let it do its magic for about 3 hours. This is the perfect time to relax or get some other chores done. You'll know it's done when those tater tots are crispy and the cheese is all melty and bubbly. Your kitchen will smell amazing. And there you have it, a delicious, hearty meal that's ready to be devoured. An easy, hearty, and customizable slow cooker tater tot casserole that's guaranteed to bring smiles to your dinner table. Perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more comfort food goodness. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for cooking with me today, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Yeehaw! Until then, happy cooking.